Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Apriliano here. And today, what we're going to talk about is Unit 8 Foundations. And we are going to continue our talk with blends. And I'm also going to introduce you to a new blend, which is called a digraph blend. But before we get started, I'd like to warm up. So I am going to share my screen and we are going to look at our chart. And there is our vowels and consonants chart. So we're just going to go through some of the sounds. I'm going to use my trusty black pen to help me. I'm going to say it first, and then you are going to echo me. And we're going to do some vowels and some consonants that sometimes give us trouble. So we're going to start with A, apple, A. E, ed, eh. F, fun, I, itch, eh. O, octopus, ah. Q, queen, qua. S, snake, S, bugs, z. U, up, X, fox, x. Nice job, boys and girls. Now I want to focus on our digraphs. Remember, digraphs are two consonants that make one sound. So let's review those. WH, whistle, w. CH, chin, ch. SH, ship, sh. TH, thumb, th. CK, sock, k. And remember, with CK, it always comes at the end of the word and it follows a short vowel. Okay, nice job. Now, what I'd like to also review are our controlled vowels. Our R-controlled vowels is when a vowel, like A, is next to an R, it changes the way the A sounds and it makes a new sound. So we say A-R, car, R. Your turn. O-R, horn, or. E-R, her, I-R, bird, U-R, burn, Nice job warming up, boys and girls. Now we're going to get busy building some words. Now, we've been talking about blends. So I want to talk about something new called a digraph blend. And a digraph blend is when a digraph is next to another consonant and then it blends in. I'll show you. Let's build this word. Do you see the digraph in this word? Right there, ch at the end of the word. Let's tap it. Ooh, ch, lunch. Did you notice that that received 4 taps? Watch again. Ooh, ch, lunch. 4 taps. Ooh, ch, lunch. So how we mark up a digraph blend is we underlined the consonant that's blending with the digraph. So it looks like that. Let's practice some more. I'm going to spell away. Ooh, ch, lunch. Here comes another one. That one had the digraph at the end. This one is going to be a little different because it's going to have the digraph in the beginning of the word. All right, let's tap this word. Shrub. 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 How I'm going to mark this, I'm going to underline the digraph, and I'm also going to underline the R that is next to the digraph and is blended into the digraph. Shrub. Nice job. Let's try another one. I'm going to spell away. Shrub. Let's look at another one. Do you see the digraph in this word? Is it in the beginning of the word or is it at the end of the word? You're right. It's at the end of the word. Let's tap it. Bunch. Bunch. I'm going to underline the digraph and I'm going to underline the N that is next to the digraph that's blended in. Is the U part of a blend? Nope, no vowels. Blends do not have vowels. Nice job. I'm going to spell away. Ch. Bunch. Nice job, boys and girls. Let's see if we can do one more practice. Okay, let's tap it. Shred. Shred. Where is the digraph blend? If you said it's SHR, you're absolutely correct. Shred. Nice job. All right, let's spell away. Shred. Just trying to erase that a little bit more. All right. Right now, if you'd like to pause the video, you can do so. Please get a pen or a pencil and paper, or you can have a whiteboard and a marker to complete the next exercise, which will be dictation. Go ahead and pause the video if you need to, and I'll get ready for our dictation. All right, I'm glad you're back. I'm going to stop my share so that we can get ready for our dictation. And you can just use a regular piece of paper. Use one like this. Oh, never mind. One like this. Or any type of paper that you have at home is fine. First, we're going to start off with some sounds. The first sound is ch. Say ch. What says ch? Write that sound down for number 1. Number 2, ung. Say ung. What says ung? Write the sound for ung. What says ung for number 2? Number 3, say all. Say all. What says all? Write down what says all for number 3. Nice job. Now we're going to go into the words that we were just working on. We'll have a digraph blend. Say punch. Say punch. Tap punch. Ch. Punch. Write the word punch. Number 2, say shrub. Say shrub. Tap shrub. B. Shrub. Write the word shrub. Number 3, say flash. Say flash. Let's tap flash. Flash. Write the word flash. Remember, if I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video, write your words, and then hit play again to restart it. Now, on those current words that we just did, I would like you to underline any digraphs that you see or digraph blends that you see. Underline any blends or digraphs or digraph blends. Remember, we just learned those digraph blends today. So go back in those 3 words and mark them up. Okay, moving on to our trick words. Remember, these are practice, and if you get them wrong, it's okay. It just is showing you what you're going to need to work on this week. The first word, number 1 in trick words, is would. Would you like to go to the play? Would. Write the word would. Number 2, the word is should. Should I eat cookies before dinner? Should. Write the word should. Number 3, could. Could you come over to play? Number 3 is could. Write the word could. Nice job, boys and girls. Now we're going to start our sentence. Our sentence is, Jill will munch on her plum. Jill will munch on her plum. Now I want you to say the sentence with me. Jill will munch on her plum. Please write that sentence. Jill will munch on her plum. If you need to stop the video, you can stop the video and keep writing. Right now, what I'd like to do is proofread our sentence. Jill, touch each word as I say it. Jill will munch on her plum. Do you have all your words? Do you have a capital letter in the beginning of your sentence? Do you have punctuation at the end of your sentence? Are we asking a question? No, it should just be a period. Now, let's tap the word Jill. J, I, O, Jill. Do you have it spelled correctly? Let's tap the word will. W, I, O, will. Let's tap the word munch. N, ch, munch. And let's tap the word plum. P, plum. Okay, boys and girls. I'd like you to circle the word on, and I would like you to circle the word her. Those are our two trick words that we have in this sentence today. Now what I'd like you to do is star any bonus letters that you see in that sentence. Star any bonus letters that you see in that sentence. Next, underline any blends that you see in that sentence. Underline the blends. And next, underline any digraphs or digraph blends that you see in that sentence. Underline any digraphs or digraph blends that you see in that sentence. And next, the final thing, scoop for fluency. Jill will munch on her plum. Go ahead and scoop it. Nice job, boys and girls. Thank you for joining me for Unit 8 Foundations, Digraph Blends. Happy reading and happy spelling.